Hello everyone. So today was a long day at the office. Traffic was horrendous. The plans that I had for dinner have changed because of time, you guys, but not to worry. I've got everything here that I need to make a quick and delicious salad. So stick with me and we are going to put it all together. So this is what I'm using tonight to put the salad together. I've got the lettuce, tomato, onions, cheese, some turkey bacon, a homemade ranch dressing, and some seasoning, you guys. Now that I have my lettuce in the bowl, I am going to top it with my tomato, onions, bacon, and the cheese, you guys. And to make it extra special, I'm going to top it with some of this seasoning. Which is a nice blend of paprika, salt, black pepper, thyme, rosemary, garlic, and chipotle. And then it gets even better with this homemade ranch dressing, which I will leave the link in my card above so that you can make some of this for yourself as well. And you guys, this is dinner. And you do not have to compromise a good meal because you are short on time. And this is a prime example of that. So you guys always keep some fresh veggies on hand so that if you're in the pinch for what to cook for dinner and you're short on time, you can put something like this together and stay focused and stay satisfied. Enjoy, you guys.